Hi guys, and today we are visiting the temple. This place is in Phuan district, Vientiane province, Laos. And let's go to check and look how nice is it. Now they are building also. They are starting building, and the place is not so beautiful yet. I think a few years later and you come, you will see the beauty. Yeah, now they are still building it. Okay, let's around 1 or 2 years later you can come to visit in Phuan district, Vientiane province, Laos. Wow, so nice. This tree is so high. Look, so nice. Ok,这边我们晒不熟，都结束了。把水浇尿不熟。chỉ tao tôi lần ha tôi thấy rồi hay sợ cho kệ một lý trà này chơi chỉ bỏ nó trong con đó. Wow, so beautiful. Khó phải nhờ ở đây mà. Khó thằng ấy phải ở đây đi. You see the big dragon there. Đi ra lo thì tiền không? Wow, it's so beautiful. Đúng có cái đó, thế nào nè, bỏ tí đó, trong xe. You see the mountain over there also. Yeah, and this place is quite high also. This temple is nearby the mountain, and this is so beautiful. I think now it's not so beauty yet, and I think around 2 years later, if you come, you can see the beauty of this temple, because now they are still building and still messy also. You see, like you see the tree, the wood, the land, the stone around there, down there. and not so beautiful yet because they are still building. Okay, let's go to see in another place. You see the dragon. You see the dragon over there. The dragon is so big. Wow. The monk is down there and they are doing some culture over there inside the temple. Yeah, the monk is just doing some culture and somebody are visiting and praying over here also. Let's go to see another place. This is the bridge. Bridge nó dọc. Bridge nó do bridge nó do tụng có ở tu cho nó mới cả the bridge nữa nè. Họ temple nó do lũ vào sản nè. Monk nó do tu hậu sản kia. Monk họ lo hạt the culture nó chỉ doวัฒนธรรมtên đó nè. Hít không tên đó วัฒนธรรม tên đó. Dragon ya tu ra lo đi nè. The big dragon tu ra lo đi nè. Mountain ya trống nè. Bữa trống chùa. Tree ya tông nè, tròn tông nè, tree ya tròn tông. Land ya á nè. Ya cho á. Wood nè tròn tông mà chia lại lo ya tepper đi nó là nè wood. Tree này là tròn tông, tree nó là tròn tông ở trên sáu, trên tròn tông giống nè. Stone này là cho bao giờ, để bao giờ phải luôn đó. The truck, không có hả nè. Wow, there's sun water also. The rain just came yesterday. Rain này là na nó khó lo lắm không? Let's go to check in another place. Go down. I'm not confident to get inside the temple. So we can visit out here and we will go to some beautiful place over here also. Wow, look, so hot. Go look. Wow, the place is so nice. Whew. Wow. Can we get into the mouth or not? Try? Wow, how can? No, I'm not confident to get it. They have some door, the door, so I'm not confident to get down there. Some water over here also. Wow, so beautiful. turtle. You see the turtle over here? The turtle, bất ký này turtle. Wow, this place is so nice. And this place also. They are still building some beauty over there. You see? Look it. I think around 2 years later, you come to visit, you will see the beauty of this temple. Now they are still building. So nice. Let's go and check many places around here. Wow, so nice. Let's get in. Check here. Wow. You see? Wow. You see? Up there is mountain. Let's check. Wow, so nice. Beautiful place up there. I don't know, is there any cave over here or not? You go to check. Có thể là có một hạt chùa này, em sẽ đi một chúng ta chẳng nói. Cave, nó có hạt chùa này. Cave, hạt chùa. Flower nha bạn. Oh, this is the toilet. Toilet dưới đây, không năn dưới đây, không năn. Wow, this is the toilet. go to visit the toilet. Wow, the toilet, so nice. See, the door, and one more door. They're still building, haven't complete yet. You see, dirty. You can visit this temple in the next 2 years. Wow, one cave is down there. Chuyện đâu thế ra, rồi thì tên nó ra, bắt chuột luôn con ra. Wow, cái nó là cái gì cho nó, rồi vô lòng. Let call, would you let call? Sai đi khỏi con. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Wow, so beautiful. Đừng có cái đó. Nó. No way to go up there. There's no way to go up. See? So beautiful. Wow. So nice. Go cái này. Wow, now we are coming through the big dark rock. You see? I think a few years later you can come and you can walk inside here. So I think a few years later you can visit inside and you can go in down here. Oh, so nice. Wow, the water, the flower is so beautiful. We got to check up on there. They said go up before getting information, so I will not go. Okay, almost go. Then we go back. Wow, this dragon is so big. The bird is singing as well. Bird này nông lắm. Champa Lao flower, ดอกไม้ดอกจำปาลาว Okay, right now we go back. Đó ca xem nào. Cô để to lên trong một chơi thế. Nó chỉ cho xi măng. Đó ca xem. Cái để ở trong tận đây là gì nè? Sập bỏ trong con. Ở trong tận đây gì đó có tôi sai chạy trong con hằng ạ. Ý trồng bây giờ nó phải sai sao gì nó thế? Nó tin nhà. Ở sang cái thế. Nhớ subscribe được cụ thế. Like, share được cụ. Ở trong đó đấy. Ở trong đó có lúc xí hả? Cụ tôi lúc mà tôi thằng nào tôi. Yeah, now we are going back home. And I can't buy this motorbike. So we are going back home. And we'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and like, share it also. Okay? See you in the next time. Thank you.